lower in trade. But thank you very much, Vivek, for joining in. Ashish Kyal from Wave Strategy Advisors is here with us for a technical check on the market. Ashish, very quiet. Is there any index trade and your stock picks?
Yes, if you look at the index, overall Nifty has been managing to protect the prior low on closing basis since around 12 days now. So the overall tone is bullish, but today we are seeing some kind of a pressure building up from around 20,200. It's not managing to cross that. So I will be looking at buying about 20,220 so that I get some confirmation on the index, aiming for a move towards the level of 20,300 or 20,350 on the upside. And the support for the index, very important support, lies at 20,040. So as long as 20,040 is intact, I think the dips should be used as a buying opportunity, aiming for the target of 20,300. So the overall strategy is on the buy side. From stock specific perspective, I think Union Bank, the overall PSU banks have been buzzing and showing very strong trend. Union Bank is showing a very strong breakout on the upside. Any dips that you get here, use that as a buying opportunity, maintaining a stop loss of 96 on the downside and aiming for the target of 107. And the next stock on the buy side is Metropolis. Again, after a long time, we are seeing it is trying to show a very strong impulsive rise. Possibly the third wave is starting on the upside, taking the price towards the level of 1625 followed by 1680. So long positions can be created in Metropolis. One can maintain a stop loss on the downside at 1465.
Okay. All right. But what about a couple of these banking stocks? Ashish, how exactly are you going to approach a couple of these PSU bank stocks which are showing double-digit gains this afternoon?
In fact, yes, the PSU banking stocks, whether you look at SBI or whether you look at, like I have mentioned, a buy on the Union Bank or whether you look at Punjab National Bank, all of these stocks are showing very strong rise, and that's a very positive sign. So I would be using the opportunity of any dips. So for example, if you look at PNB, it's up nearly around 4.5 to 5% now. And if I get any kind of a dip in the PSU banking space, I will use that as an opportunity to go long. Because the private banking stocks are looking very quiet, but the PSU is definitely buzzing, and not just today. Since about 7-8 days, if you look at it, they have been on a tear on the upside, and the momentum is not slowing down. There is no divergence yet. So I would look at any kind of dips in the PSU banking space as an opportunity to go long.
Okay, it's quite the rally in the PSU banking index, 4% higher on the Nifty PSU banking index at a time when the Nifty banking index itself is in the red with a cut of about 0.3%.